nCino is powering a new era in financial services, making every interaction with your customers more efficient, intelligent, and human. Let's see what this looks like in action. Rebecca is a relationship manager at Insight Financial. She logs in to review the account of Chris, who owns a network of medical centres. Because Rebecca is using nCino, she can see the financials of Chris in a single view with added insights. She notices an opportunity for the company to borrow more money for future acquisitions. She can also see that the last conversation she had with Chris was about planning an expansion. The notes from that conversation, in conjunction with nCino's analysis of financials, has triggered a next best action. Rebecca clicks one button to accept the recommendation. nCino automatically fires off a notification to Chris through the bank's own proprietary mobile banking app, where Chris is prompted to either accept the offer or arrange a meeting to discuss more details. Chris trusts Rebecca and opts for a meeting. During the meeting, Rebecca looks at Chris's account on her iPad and they run a few scenarios together. Based on his latest financials and seeing his transaction information, Rebecca confirms that Chris can borrow more money to grow his business. Chris also mentions that he's looking to increase his property portfolio. nCino already has his income details such as his salary, bonuses, and other assets from the company. nCino triggers an event to the bank's app to get consent for pulling his bank statement data through open banking. No need to do this manually thanks to nCino's automated technology. Once the data is received, nCino auto-approves the new investment home loan. Chris is extremely satisfied. His bank understood his business and his life, reused his existing data to make smart, timely and relevant decisions, and supported him across all his banking needs.